Hello students, today we will discuss the male reproductive part of the flower, that is the androecium. We will discuss the male reproductive part, androecium, and this is the stamen and the basic structure is called microsporangium. Previous sections we discussed about the male reproductive part, that is the stamen, consisting of two parts, one is filament and another is anther. When we pick a stamen from the flower, it clearly visible, it has the two parts. One is called filament and another is called anther. This is the anther part and it is the basic male reproductive structure of the flower, in which the male gametes are produced in the flower. So, when we discuss the anther part, filament, it is the part of the stamen which is attached to the elements of the flower, the base of the flower, from which the filament is attached, and anther is on its anterior axis. Anther visibly have two-lobed structure. It is the two-lobed structure. That is why the anther is called bilobed structure. It is called bilobed structure, just as the bead grain, it has the two distinct structure. One is this lobe and another is this lobe. So it is bilobed structure. There is a clearly distinct, visible two-lobed structure of the anther, having two lobes. One is this lobe and another is this lobe. That's why anther is called bilobed structure of the stamen. When we take a transverse section of the anther, in transverse section of the anther, we found the four chambers, 1, 2, 3, 4. The two chambers are located in each lobe. The two chambers are located in each lobe. So there are four chambers in two lobes. Each lobe is called theca. So, in the TS, when we take the anther and a blade or a knife and we cut a TS of the anther, we found this type of structure. So, this is called theca, and there are two theca in each lobe, so total four thecas in two lobes. Four thecas in two lobes. So anther externally is a bilobed structure and internally it has four theca. Two theca in each lobe. So it is the dithecus. It is called dithecus in each lobe. It is called dithecus. These thecas are called microsporangium. One microsporangium, second microsporangium, third microsporangium, fourth microsporangium. And together they are called microsporangia. together they are called microsporangia. So anther is a bilobe structure having 2 thecas in each lobe, and all constitute is a dithecous structure and